Anytime we're trying to teach a skill, you want to keep it clear and with minimal amounts of steps so they can actually be able to think about what they need to do clearly and concisely, try to put it into effect in order to best show their understanding of that skill. So what I would do, again, I would use this as a checklist. So when you think that you've gotten all the information into your head, now all you have to do is go through these checklists, these outcomes, and use it as a checklist and actually physically write them down. So the first one is identify and give the function of each of the following. It gives all the different parts of the digestive system. Can you actually identify them and explain them? If the answer is yes, great, move on. If it's not, and the answer is no, then what you can do is try to learn them on your own or come in for extra help, and we can come up with some ways that you can actually understand them.
Mr. Harkness gives you the learning targets really clear. These are the learning outcomes. This is what you need to know to be successful. Do you guys use these sheets? Are they helpful? And if so, why?
Well, for example, in the project that we're doing, we need to know that these key terms are what we need to represent in our analogies. And so for me on mine, I didn't bring it today. I took this and I wrote down an analogy so that I would remember it in my own personal life, like representing it.
It's more of an outline for like knowing what we need to learn for the test.
It shows us that they're not trying to trick us. We have them, and so we know what to study. It's just the main terms and key points of the entire unit, and that's what we need to know to be successful.